Hello, I'm Ryan Bannock from Clearwater Well. Today we're installing a Centauri adapter from Proxima Centauri Manufacturing. This is the same adapter that we've seen in previous videos. This adapter plug has already been screwed into the pressure switch, and I have the wafer nut and the safety clip in my hand over here. And what this is going to do is allow you to access the switch and see what air is in your tank without digging up a buried tank. So the first way I'm going to start, we're going to fish this down. We've put a piece of 6-inch attached to a post here. I'm just going to fish that down through these wires and pull that out the bottom of this piece of casing. And I'm going to hand this off to keep it out of the dirt. And just grab the other end of this plug. Get all of our sand off there. And we're just going to let the other end hang. And what we're going to do now is attach this to the Schrader valve of the tank. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is take this wafer nut that you've seen from the other adapter, and you're just going to screw that right down here on the tank. And just bottom it out. You don't have to get carried away. And then what you want to do is just take this into the adapter, which has a swivel, and we're going to take a 9/16 and attach that to the Schrader valve. You'll hear as it starts to go on, it's going to start leaking a little bit of air out of the tank. But once you get down, that'll quit. You can add more air if you need to. Trying to stay out of the shadow here. Okay, the air is stopped. So what I'm going to do now is just firmly snug this down onto the Schrader valve. And that's starting to get pretty nice and snug. So I'm going to quit with that. Do about a quarter turn. And then come back to the wafer nut and then spin that back against the adapter here. And that's going to be about another quarter turn also. Pretty simple, easy to install. And then this swivel here is going to allow any ground pressure or anything to keep from anything breaking off here, fittings, Schrader valve, or anything on this adapter. And then all you've got to do is come back to this end here and just plug your pressure switch in. So you just grab your safety clip, get that in your hand, plug the switch back into that, grab a hold here, and install the safety clip. And I'm sure you could see as I stuck that on there, the air pressure that's inside the tank is now showing on the gauge. So all we're going to do is just place this adapter and your wires and everything right into the piece of 6-inch, and we're going to just put a cap on the top of that, and you're all good and set to go. Thanks for watching.